Urgency drives action. Today, we are mastering the ElementsKit Countdown Timer, the ultimate tool to boost conversions and create FOMO on any WordPress site. Best of all, you don't need a premium budget. This works perfectly with Elementor Free and the free version of ElementsKit. Professional results, zero cost. ElementsKit makes it incredibly easy with ready-made templates. Just browse the library, hit insert, and you have a pixel perfect high converting timer live in seconds. So here I'm searching for the timer and see, here you have a lot of options. Then I'm selecting this one and then hit the insert button. There you go. And what's better, you can alter any part of your added template. For this, just enter the widget settings. Here in the content tab, set your deadline. So if you want to set your deadline, go to timer settings and see, here you can change the deadline that you want. Well, so you can customize the labels to match your brand's voice, and this is perfect for minimalist designs. Here you can see what's written here. The expiry title, it could be also edited. Now for the UI masterclass. Under the style tab, you can transform the look. So give your digits a bold weight and add a border radius for a more rounded look. So if you want to change the width, see, you can edit this one. I'm keeping it like this. And in the height, see, it can also be changed. You can also change the line height and the margin bottom. And UI is in the details. Use the margin settings to give your timer units room to breathe. Proper spacing ensures your layout looks professional and stays readable. You can also change the days and the hour settings and the minute settings as well. Also the seconds settings. Then there are advanced settings too, like motion effects. If you pulse animation to make that countdown even more unmissable. Urgency must be mobile friendly. Always check responsive mode to ensure your timer scales down perfectly for shoppers on the go. So you can change this as well. Now, if you prefer total creative freedom, you can also build this from scratch. Simply drag the countdown timer widget onto your page and follow the same steps we have just covered to customize your content style. See, it has appeared, and now you can edit this the way I have showed you before. So you can customize this the way you want. So that was it. High energy, high conversion, and totally free. That's how you master the ElementsKit Countdown Timer. Hit subscribe for more design hacks.